from Intel Packing Machinery. Today I will introduce the machine is a triangle key bag, inner bag and outer bag packing machine. In addition, I want to introduce the optional equipment for this machine. First equipment, this machine is the pneumatic, so we should to equip the air compressor. And the secondary optional equipment, you can see this feeding loader is very high, so we recommend to equip the lever for the manual to loading. And the third, the inner bag packing machine, we can solve it separately. So if you want to packing the inner bag directly into a box, so we can equip our containing machine. Finally, I want to introduce several advantages of this machine. And the first advantage is the machine we have 1 year warranty for entire machine and 2 year warranty for the spare part. And the machine standard we all based on the German standard. And have the repair function we also have, but the price very lower compared with the Germany made in Germany. And our quality is very accurate. It's also accurate that we have the CE certificate and the other relevant certificates. And the other advantage is we have agents all over the world, so you don't have to worry if you abroad you inconvenience to replace some spare part of this machine. And if you're in China, we can send an engineer to go to your factory to provide the after sale. And the other advantage we can to provide the outer bag design for you for free, and we also can buy the inner bag material or the outer bag material for you, and the price is definitely not too higher for the market price, so you don't have to worry. And if you have any other idea, we also have the operational R&D team can design a plan for you. So if you have any other doubt, please connect with me. Thanks for your watching.